gonna tell about the cloud computing tools and advantages of cloud computing, which was done by myself, Yogamati A, and two of my friends, Divya S and Amla Rose Mishma. First, let me get into the topic. First of all, we have to know what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but a delivery of different services through the internet, and these resources will be including tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, etc. And in this cloud computing, it was the most popular options for the business peoples for the number of reasons like cost savings, increased productivity, speed, and efficiency. Rather than it will keep the file in a proper hard drive or a local storage device, and it will makes a possible way to save them in a remote database. As long as an electronic device will be access to this web, so that it will be access the data and then the software programs to run it. And let me get into the some of the cloud computing tools. It is nothing but it will be used to track the performance, safety, and availability of crucial cloud apps and services. Some of the tools will be the Amazon CloudWatch, SemaText, Exoprice, Retrace, SolarWinds, AppDynamics, Atinity. And some of in this cloud computing tools, first let me see about the Amazon CloudWatch. The Amazon CloudWatch is nothing but it is a web services, and it was one of the best cloud computing management system. It will allow the cloud services and applications running under the Amazon services, and it will be enable you to track and view instances. It gives a brief insight into overall health and performance of the system. And it was the most fantastic thing about the multi cloud management strategy. And in this cloud computing tool, the best part of cloud services is that we no need to install any kind of software, or to invest in any heavy installation services. And then let me see about SemaText. SemaText is nothing but it was a very useful cloud computing tool which collectively manages and performance and solutions available in the cloud and on premises. In the SemaText will be enable the user to efficiently diagnose and solve performance issues. And in the SemaText, the latest trend will be the ultimate user experience. And then let me see about the Exoprice. The Exoprice is nothing but the source monitoring tool. In the source monitoring tool, the source will be abbreviated as software as a service, and it will be offers you security and optimization of the services, and it will be enable the cloud app and running. And this tool will be including Dropbox, Salesforce, etc. And Exoprice will be watch and manage all the tools with the troubleshooting and fixing problems that can directly or indirectly impact your business for the sake of the central business and the company platforms such as Starbucks, PayPal, and P&G. And then let me see about the Retrace. It was one of the best cloud computing tools. It was mainly designed for the developers and designers with the help of code and development of the designs. It will be in this cloud computing tools. Retrace will be the most highest and the peak of this tool list in the tool list. So for example, it helps in tracking the executions, so that it will be the top of this tools list, and it will ensure the developers to create an advanced coding at all the times. And it will fit in a small and medium business with an affordable price ranges. And then SolarWinds, this cloud computing monitoring tool will be providing cloud monitoring services and networking and database solutions. It will be encrypted with the infrastructure management tool, and it will be monitor in the cloud environment. And then will be see about App Dynamics is nothing but it will be acquired by Cisco 2017, and it was one of the excellent cloud development tool. It will be provide a cloud-based monitoring system for accelerating an application performance, and it will be allow the user to learn the real state of the cloud applications, and it will be help with the business operationals and coding levels. It was a quite useful tool in cloud performance monitoring. And then let me see about Alternity. Alternity is nothing but it will detect the page loading time along with any traffic problems, and it will also optimizes and user interaction, and then it was specially designed for the end user experience. And let me see about some of the advantages of cloud computing. Cloud computing In this cloud computing there are some advantages like less cost, 24 into 7 availability, flexibility, all over functioning, um, security, automated updates on software, carbon footprint, enhanced collaborations, and easily manageable. First, what is in this advantages? Less cost is nothing but it will be the free from capital expenditure, so that there are no huge costs of hardware in cloud computing. And then we can just have to pay as the model based on our subscription plan, so that it will be the less cost. And then a 24 into 7 availability is that most of the cloud provides are truly reliable in offering their services, with most of them maintaining an uptime like 99.9 percentage, so that the workers can get into the applications will be needed basically from anywhere around the world. And then the flexibility is nothing but you will offer a flexible facility which will be turned off, on, up or down as per our circumstances for the user's experience. For instance, if a promotion of a sales is will be very popular, the capacity can be immediately and it will be quickly added it into the avoidance of losing the sales and crashing of the servers. If the sales were done, the capacity will be shrunk on the reductions of the cost. And then all over functioning. All over functioning is nothing but cloud computing will be offering at another advantages of working from anywhere across our world. But we have to connect with an internet. And then automated updates on software. In this automated updates on software, the server suppliers will be regularly update our software, including the updates on security, which will be very useful for us. We don't need to spend our crucial time in this software. And then the security. First of all, in the cloud computing or any other data, we need to secure our data, so that in this cloud computing it will be useful. A security cloud computing will be offers a great security with any sensitive data has been lost, and we can even remotely wipe out our data from the lost machine for avoiding it getting in the wrong way. And then a carbon footprint. And a carbon footprint is nothing but it will be helpful for an organizations to reduce their carbon footprint. And then it's a enhanced collaborations. It nothing but it will enhance our collaborations by authorizing diverse group of peoples, and it will virtually meet and exchange informations with the help of a shared resource like shared storage and all. And this search capability will be helps for improving our customer services and product development and the marketing time. And then a controlling of the documents before cloud will be come into our workers, that we need to send our files in and out with an email attachments, for being in a single users, so that it will be ultimately useful for this cloud computing. And then easily manageable is will be offer and simplified and enhanced IT maintenance and management capacities by the agreement of backed by SLA. SLA is nothing but a central resource administrations and a managed infrastructure, and we can get into and enjoy a basic user interface without any requirements for installations. And plus we are assured a guaranteed and a timely management and the delivery of the IT services. And hence finally we end up in this easily manageable. And these were the topics of cloud computing tools and advantages of cloud computing. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe and share. Bye bye.